Guys, if you have been looking for the future of digital finance, this is it. Lunaris Wealth isn't just another name floating around the space. This is the one guiding all the real players. We're talking about a top-tier broker trusted in both Canada and the UK, built for those who move with precision, think long-term, and actually know how to navigate this wild market. Whether you're holding big bags or you're just stepping into the game, this is where that serious money mindset begins. Tap in because the next generation of wealth is already being built here. Now guys, when you dig into what Lunaris Wealth actually is, it all makes sense. Lunaris Wealth is a multi-asset trading platform where you can access global financial instruments like stocks, forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. They're focused on retail traders in regulated markets with a strong push on financial education, built-in risk control, and full transparency. And as they keep growing across Canada and the UK, they are becoming the kind of platform that gives you opportunity but also demands accountability. And with the way 2025 has been moving with wild markets, regulatory crackdowns, and platforms freezing, this gem is seeing a real adoption surge in both countries. That growth is exploding because their team is focused on two things that actually matter, and those are financial education and integrated risk control. It keeps pulling in retail traders who are done with reckless gambling and want real structure. The platform has more than doubled its active user base in the last 12 months, with the strongest growth from first-time traders looking for solid educational content and a risk-managed way to access markets. So instead of chasing quick flips, people are showing up for tools that help them move smarter. And while most platforms are pushing hype and wild swings, Lunaris is actually attracting traders who want to understand what they're doing. Their senior team said that users want platforms that teach them how to trade smart, and over 68% of users in Q1 and Q2 of 2025 joined at least one structured educational program within their first 30 days. One of their UX leads said that users are showing up to learn financial basics, test simulations, and build long-term portfolios. And that says a lot about the kind of energy that they're building. But what makes this platform stand out even more is how seriously they treat risk. This platform has protection built into literally every step, guys. Tiered margin restrictions, automated stop loss and take profit orders, and capital preservation alerts. Their system also tracks behavior, and when an account gets flagged as high risk, it enforces daily trading limits. They let users practice in a simulated environment before entering real markets, and those who do it for 2 weeks see 23% higher account preservation over 3 months. That kind of protection gives traders real confidence and is a huge plus, guys. When you look at how traders in the UK and Canada are using the platform, the mindset shift is pretty clear. In Canada, users favor forex and commodities, and in the UK, most go for equities and indices. But both groups show the same behavior, which is slow entry, limited leverage, and demand for educational tools. Executives said that users are asking better questions, they're checking analytics, and engaging with learning tools more than ever. They're taking their time to learn and make smarter moves, and that is exactly who Lunaris is built for. Besides this, guys, what's also very important to highlight is that Lunaris is also taking regulation seriously. As authorities in the UK and Canada increase oversight, Lunaris has already aligned with the new rules. They've added real-time KYC tracking, stronger identity checks, and better audit trails to build trust. One legal advisor said that transparency in 2025 isn't optional, and they've built systems that prove trading activity is being tracked the right way. Their independent audit passed with solid results, and user drawdowns dropped because of those protections. And while compliance and education are core, they have also made strong upgrades to the platform. In 2025, 2025, they have expanded their cloud system to handle more volume and improved latency across asset classes. They released real-time portfolio analytics to help users make decisions faster, and their mobile app now supports biometric login, alerts, and learning modules. Daily active users on mobile are up by 45%, so traders clearly want smart tools that work anywhere. Lunaris offers weekly webinars, live Q&As, and AI-powered learning paths that adjust to behavior and trading history. One team member said that static education doesn't work anymore and that traders need to keep adapting, and the platform adapts with them. That is why they're seeing better retention and higher satisfaction, which is another major plus. And with the users staying longer and learning more, the platform is now looking ahead with cautious optimism. They're focused on expanding into more regulated markets, improving risk tools, and scaling their education technology. With them, guys, growth isn't about user count. It's about how safely and consistently those users can trade. And that exactly is the standard that they're building around. So if you are from the UK or Canada and you're serious about trading, this is something you cannot miss out on.